Before we set sail on our next journey, we needed some supplies. We stopped by a local Thai market to pick up some food and eat some bugs. Okay, oh my god, 1, 2, 3.
Kind of salty. Like a chip.
With the water tanks nearly empty, it was a good time to clean out any sediment that is collected at the bottom. There are 2 water tanks on board, each holding 350 liters of water, for a combined 700 liters, or 185 gallons, which supplies all the water for drinking, cooking, and showering. During the rainy season, collecting rainwater is the best way to fill up the tanks. We could easily collect 40 liters or 10 gallons in a single bout of rainfall. But since it's nearing the end of the dry season, we're running quite low and have to get water from a local dispenser that costs 1 baht per liter, or 12 cents a gallon. These jugs hold 20 liters or 5 gallons each. And who's this? This is the new kitty! Sean spotted her in a cage in a Thai bird shop and decided to rescue her. She is half Bengal and half American Shorthair, so she is incredibly athletic and agile. We noticed Skipper seemed bored, like he wanted a kitty friend to play with, and ever since Sean brought her back to the boat, he has been so obsessed with her and they play so much. I think both of them are much happier with each other's company. Full of food, full of water, and full of cats, it's time to go. There sure are a lot of fishing boats out here. It would be a shame if something were to happen. After jumping in the water at night, right after it happened, to assess the situation, I realized there was way too much work to do and I needed to wait until daylight to free us from the net. Alright, I'm fully secured. I'm tied in. It took over an hour of breath holding, plus nearly 5 scuba tanks of air to free ourselves. Just have to check the coolant and the oil levels, make sure those are good. Okay, now we can leave for real this time.